Every car owner dreads it. You're driving along, and suddenly, that flashing yellow check engine light ruins your day. Before you rush to the mechanic and pay a massive diagnostic fee just to find out your gas cap was loose, you need a reliable way to talk to your car. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best OBD2 scanners for 2026. Whether you're a total beginner looking for a simple plug-and-play code reader, a weekend DIYer who wants live data, or a seasoned pro looking for advanced bidirectional control and ECU coding, we've found the absolute best options on the market this year. Make sure to stay tuned until number 1, because it's a total game changer for saving cash on repairs. If you want to check the latest prices or grab one for yourself, all the product links are right down in the description below. Let's jump right into it. 5. BLC Tech 460T. If you're looking for a serious diagnostic tool that bridges the gap between home DIY and the professional garage, you need to check out the BLC 460T. Right out of the box, this thing is a powerhouse. It doesn't just read basic check engine lights. It gives you full OE-level all-system diagnostics for your engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS. What really sets it apart for the price point are the 12-plus dealer-level reset functions like ABS bleeding, battery initialization, and electronic parking brake resets, which easily save you a costly trip to the mechanic. It's also incredibly fast. Thanks to the AutoVin and AutoScan, it automatically maps out your car's health the second you plug it in, allowing you to graph and overlay up to 4 live data streams in real time. Plus, it pairs for free with the Repair Solutions 2 app, giving you access to a massive database of verified fixes from master technicians and cloud-stored reports. Just a quick heads up, while it offers free lifetime updates and incredible coverage for US and Canadian vehicles from 1996 onward, function availability does vary by car. Make sure to hit up the compatibility checker on BLC Tech's website before buying to ensure your specific year, make, and model are fully supported. 4. Blue Driver Pro Next Gen. If you're tired of the guesswork and the expensive mechanic bills, whenever your check engine light comes on, you need to check out the Blue Driver Pro Next Gen. This little Bluetooth OBD2 scanner completely transforms your phone into a professional-grade diagnostic tool. Unlike basic code readers that only scratch the surface, the Blue Driver Pro digs deep into enhanced systems like ABS, SRS airbags, TPMS, and transmissions across a massive range of vehicles, including newer 2024-plus models. But the real game changer here is the verified repair reports. It doesn't just give you a random error code. It matches your specific VIN to a database of actual technician-verified fixes so you know exactly what's wrong and how to solve it. It streams live data as you drive, connects completely wirelessly without any bulky cables, and the absolute best part? There are 0 subscription fees, ever. You buy the tool, you get full access to everything, including free app updates and 24/7 North American tech support. Whether you're a DIYer or just want peace of mind before heading to the shop, this is easily one of the smartest investments you can make for your garage. Number 3. Innova 5210. If you're tired of guessing why your check engine light is on, you need to check out the Innova 5210. This isn't just a standard OBD2 scanner. It's a total diagnostic powerhouse that combines an engine and ABS code reader with a built-in battery and alternator tester to save you from unexpected breakdowns. It works on almost any vehicle from 1996 or newer, giving you real-time live data like RPMs and engine temps, plus an absolute game-changer feature. It resets your oil maintenance lights and checks your smog readiness so you can pass inspections with ease. But the best part? 0 subscriptions. It pairs with the free Repair Solutions 2 app to give you verified fixes from actual ASE-certified mechanics, complete with parts recommendations and cost estimates. Just be sure to use Innova's coverage checker to verify your specific vehicle's compatibility. For DIYers and anyone looking to skip the expensive mechanic diagnostic fees, this is an absolute must-have for your garage. Number 2. Ancel AD310. If you're looking for a reliable way to solve that dreaded check engine light without spending a fortune at the mechanic, the Ancel AD310 OBD2 scanner is an absolute game changer. Recommended by YouTuber and auto mechanic Scotty Kilmer, this little device is a total powerhouse for emission-related issues. It's incredibly fast and accurate, reading and clearing diagnostic trouble codes in seconds while giving you access to live data and freeze frame views. What I love most is how rugged and practical it is. It features a sleek, compact design that easily slides into your glove box, wrapped in a heavy-duty casing with a thick, flexible 2.5-foot cable built to survive accidental garage drops. Best of all, it requires zero batteries or charging because it pulls power directly from your car's OBD2 port. It supports all major OBI protocols and has massive compatibility with US-based vehicles from 1996 onward, as well as newer EU and Asian models. Just keep in mind that it focuses specifically on emission-related codes and requires a true OBDI interface to work. For the price, portability, and ease of use, it's a must-have tool for every home garage. 1. Foxwell NT301. If you're tired of running to the mechanic every time your check engine light pops up, the Foxwell NT301 OBD2 scanner is about to be your new best friend. Think of it as a doctor for your car's dashboard. Right out of the box, this rugged little tool plugs straight into your 16-pin port, no charging or complex setup required, and gives you instant access to live data graphing, VIN retrieval, and clear definitions for your trouble codes on a bright 2.8-inch color screen. One of my favorite features is the Smog Check Helper. With dedicated IM readiness hotkeys and a quick red, yellow, green LED system, you'll know instantly if your vehicle is ready to pass emissions before you even waste a trip to the test center. It also features advanced modes to test your O2 sensors and check for evap system leaks, which is huge for boosting your fuel economy and saving money at the pump. Just a quick pro tip for using it. To read codes accurately, make sure your ignition is turned to on. Select OBDII, wait a few seconds, and then hit Read Codes. Keep in mind that, like any true OBD2 scanner, clearing a code won't permanently turn off your check engine light if the physical part isn't actually repaired first. Compatibility-wise, it's a powerhouse for standard diagnostics. It works flawlessly with most 1996 and newer US-based and 2000-plus European and Asian gasoline cars, light trucks, SUVs, and even 12-volt diesels, supporting protocols like CAN, KWP2000, and ISO 9141. Now, just to manage expectations, this is a dedicated high-quality basic code reader. It does not scan specialized systems like ABS, airbags, SRS, or electronic parking brakes, nor does it do advanced functions like brake bleeding or TPMS relearns. But for everyday diagnostics, troubleshooting, and saving yourself hundreds of dollars in dealer diagnostic fees, this is an absolute must-have tool for every home mechanic. Highly recommended. And that wraps up our breakdown of the top 5 best OBD2 scanners for 2026. Whether you're trying to put out a pesky check engine light or looking for full system bidirectional control, one of these tools is bound to save you a ton of time and cash. If you want to grab one for your own garage, all the product links with the best up-to-date pricing are down in the description below. Did your favorite scanner make the list? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to smash that like button if this video helped you out, and hit subscribe so you never miss another tool review. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.